Hello, viewers and Flintstone Elementary School staff. I'm here to talk to you today about informal and formal assessments and how you can quickly utilize technology to be able to assess students and their understanding and comprehension. My name is Malcolm Brewster, and today we're going to be talking about a technology application called Socrative. Socrative does have a free version and it has a pro version as well. But the free version offers an immense amount of opportunities for you to assess your students and share that data amongst all stakeholders. Socrative is a free technology application that allows you to give personal design quick quizzes, exit tickets, and have students race through questions to check comprehension and understanding. It has three formats for poll assessments as well: true or false, multiple choice, and short answer. I hope you enjoyed this video about Socrative.
Meet Socrative by Mastery Connect, your tool for fun and effective formative assessment. Socrative enables you to engage and assess students on any device and operating system during class. All the activities visualize student answers in real time and provides detailed reports for afterwards. Directly from your teacher dashboard, you can launch all types of assessments, start a quiz, do a quick question or polling activity, play a fun space race game, or do an out-of-the-door exit ticket. Quick questions are perfect for no-prep activities. As students respond, the teacher can see in real time what the students are thinking, have a discussion of the results, or ask more quick questions. It's your choice. You can create your own assessments or share assessments with your colleagues and other Socrative users around the world. If you'd like, you can tag it with a Common Core or state standard. As students take the quiz, you'll see their graded responses populate your live results table. Each column shows how the whole class is performing on that question. You can see which questions you need to go over with the class, or decide how to group students for review based on their results. Run Your Quiz is an exciting space race to create a fun assessment game that students can play in groups or individually. Students love the friendly competition, and you'll still receive the graded report at the end. With Socrative Pro, you can set a countdown timer or upload your own race icon. You can manage multiple live activities simultaneously in 10 different rooms, create a room for each period, divide the class into smaller groups, or even have a homework room. In addition, you can add rosters and have up to 150 students in each room. With Socrative, visualizing student understanding has never been easier. Sign up today at Socrative.com.
So I hope you enjoyed that video on Socrative. Once you sign in and create an account, remember this is the free version. You can create quizzes for your students. You can also do a space race where they can race through and work in pairs to check comprehension, and it's friendly competition. Also, you can do exit tickets. Exit tickets are great to check for understanding for student comprehension, especially at the end of a lesson. These are quick poll questions that you could possibly use for a pre-assessment or to check understanding to see what your students know and what they don't know. You can choose multiple choice, true, false, or short answer, or even if you want to start the day with a short poll question, you can. All your quizzes will be saved in the quizzes tab. You can reuse this quiz for a different group if you have multiple classes as well. This is where all your rooms are. You can have up to 5 rooms on the free version, but the Socrative Pro gives you up to 10 rooms. Also, all your reports and everything and results will be right here, as well as the results tab, where you can see each individual question and see how students answered. You can take about 3 to 5 minutes and you can explore this application, and you will know a lot of information about how to implement it in your classroom. If you have any questions, please leave them at the end of this YouTube video, and thank you very much for watching.